guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make a Bolognese sauce. This is a sauce made with minced meat and other fresh ingredients. It is so tasty, you guys. I can't even wait to share the recipe with you guys. I'll be making this recipe with alongside with spaghetti. Yeah, you can make it with any other pasta of your choice. Yes, and it will still taste very good. Without no further talking, you guys, let's go ahead and get started. Prepped my vegetables. The vegetables I'll be cooking with. Okay, I have some black pepper here, freshly crushed black pepper, a minced garlic, I have seasoning cube, I have 2 scotch bonnets, and then I have a green chili. So, and here I have some fresh parsley, that's for garnishing. Okay, after cooking, I have here tomato paste, I have oil here, I have curry powder here, I have salt here, and then I have oregano here, paprika, minced herbs. You guys, this minced herb is very nice. Okay, it has got I don't know if you can see that, it has thyme, marjoram, sage, parsley, and oregano. Okay, the minced herb is very nice. Okay, and I have got here tomatoes. Okay, I have here bell pepper, and over here I have onions, and then over here I have my minced meat. Okay, so let's go ahead and get cooking. Set a pot on a fire, add in a cooking spoon of oil, allow it to heat up, and then add in the ground meat. You're going to brown this meat, okay, and then break it apart. Yeah, break them, okay, to stand separate. Okay, and then this will take about 5 to 7 minutes to brown, and while it is brown, we'll go ahead
adding in the garlic, the black pepper, and the onions.
Add the salt, add this tomato paste, add in our scotch bonnet, and then stir.
While you stir that for a bit, go ahead and add in the bell pepper. You can as well add the red one, or you can skip if you don't like them. You guys, I lost some footage here, but what I did is that I added the tomatoes and the chicken bouillon. Okay, stir that, cover, and allow it to simmer for the tomato to turn.
Meanwhile, I am boiling some water here for the pasta. So over here my water is already boiling. Adding some little oil and some salt, adding in the pasta.
So while that is cooking, we'll go ahead and check in our minced meat and veggies, and then give it a good mix.
I am adding in the green chili,
beef seasoning,
the minced herbs, the oregano, paprika,
curry powder.
Give it a good mix. And then at this point I'll be adding in some water. I think I should add more.
Taste for salt and adjust, then cover and allow it to simmer for at least 25 to 30 minutes.
This is ready, you guys. This is ready. I'm going to switch off the flame.
Finally, garnish with some fresh chopped parsley. Guys, look at that. Look how beautiful this is looking. It is ready to be served. And over here our pasta is ready. I'm just going to drain it now and serve. Our Bolognese sauce is ready to be enjoyed. I'm going to serve this now. I'm scooping out for myself. Okay, I'll taste it for you guys. Okay, look at that.
So guys, our Bolognese is ready. Look how beautiful this is. I can't wait to just go ahead and just taste this. Okay, so guys, I'm going to taste this and then I'll tell you guys what I think. Okay. This is very good, you guys. It's the fresh parsley just brought everything back to life. Like Very good. I will deal with this one later, okay? If you do enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share. I will see you guys again very soon in my next video. Till then, bye.